been a while. A couple of weeks now since we posted a new video on the channel. You know how things go, man. In post-COVID times, it takes forever to get parts. Tyler was having some trouble with his power steering unit, so we had to get that replaced. We're waiting on that. That's done now, and then the last couple of weeks we just had, you know, 'tis the season, so to speak. So there's been a lot of family events and whatnot on the go. But today, I'm going to take my beast over to the CCC to wash it up, because as you'll see in a minute, it is well overdue for a cleanup. Come with me. Like I said, well overdue for a cleanup. Need a new winch line too. Actually forgot all about that after the last run. You know, she's pretty dirty still. Haven't really touched it in the last couple of weeks because, like I said, I've been busy. And well, you know, this time of year is just really cold and hard to find good weather to clean it in, really, because everything freezes so quickly. So, like I said, we're going to take it over to the CCC. Let's get her started up, get her out here. Let's go to the CCC, get this sucker cleaned up. Canadian Tire didn't have what I was looking for, and anywhere that sells SC1 is closed. So today, this is what we're going to be using to clean this sucker up. McGuire's Hot Shine and just a regular old can of tire wet. Okay, as you can see, post wash of the bike, not really that clean at all, actually. Look, tires, everything is still, damn, I gotta come in over the lawn, man, so there's only so much to get into my backyard, so there's only so much of that I can avoid, because as you can see, I gotta come in over that, and the old assassinators likes to stick into the lawn. Anyway, let's clean her up. Just basically soak the whole bike in it. Anything that you... That's better already. can see, it looks better already. So like I said, I wouldn't call this like a clean, because it's definitely not clean. But this is kind of like a way to cheat. If you look close, like I said, you can always see little bits and pieces of stuff sticking out everywhere. Those type of more intense clean jobs, you know, that takes several hours sort of thing. I'm a dad, I got a young kid I gotta take out on a Sunday afternoon, have some daddy and daughter time. I don't really have time this week to do it properly. So let's just let all this stuff dry in here now, and then we'll show you the final reveal of what it looks like once it's all dried. I mean, honestly, if I had more time today, I'd probably just give everything a wipe down, just expedite the process. But since we're taking the lazy man's way of making the bike look shiny, I'm just gonna let it dry in and see how it turns out. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, it's the next day. As you can see, I'm in my work attire. Just got home from work. Didn't have a chance to show it to you, well, yesterday, before it got dark, I guess, because it's like 4:30 on the east coast of Canada, so we're just about out of daylight here right now. But as you can see, I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, considering that we didn't put a whole lot of effort into this thing, basically just pressure wash it for a few minutes, give it a little rub down, and spray a bunch of shiny stuff on it. And here we go. And like I said, I don't know if you call it showroom condition, but I think it looks pretty darn good. I always think that one of the keys to making it look shiny like this is to just use a good chunk of your shiny stuff on your tires. Tires are so big, and of course these big 32s really stick out. And when they're clean and shiny like that, they just really give the bike a cool look. It looks new almost. Like I said, if you get up close to it, you'll see that it's not as clean as it appears. But looks good to me. What do you guys think? Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the next video. Take care. Bye.